May borrow. Okay, so kids, quiet. Everyone quiet. Okay, this time, sa itong 500 pesos mo, kaya ka bang ibigay kay Hope as a birthday gift mo na lang? So, deal or no deal? Again? Deal! Alright! Okay, go mag-deal please. Go mag-deal. Ang galing naman ni Ate. Binibigay niyo 500. What is your name? What? Jamsi. Okay, here's your prize. Okay, may I borrow your 1,000? So, okay, another 500 for Hope. Yan. Mga 8,000 na pa ako. Okay, what is your name? Aba, okay, here's your prize, Aba. May I borrow your 1,000? So, deal or no deal? Deal! Okay, very good. And how about you? What is your name? O3. So, bigyan natin ng play. Hope talaga. Tsaka mahal na mahal nila si Hope. Okay, 50. How old are you? Or, okay, Casey, here's your prize. Okay, kuha natin ang prize si Casey. Hey, what are your 500? Deal or no deal? Deal! Sorry, you're late, ma'am. Oo, nalate yung sigaw nyo. Nauna na yung deal eh. Okay, babakir, ma'am. Okay. Sabi mo mo, bago pa to. Wala na, naisa na kayo.
Masabi ng binigay, hawag ko na, sabi binigay.
Okay, what is your name? Again? Chai, okay. Chai, here's your prize. Okay, may I borrow your 1,000? So, deal or no deal? Deal! Okay! Uy, si Chelsea, ito po si Chelsea ay mana to kay Daddy ko. Yung napaka-generous. Oo. Napaka-generous niya ng Chelsea. Okay, here's your prize. May I borrow your 1,000? So, deal or no deal? Oh, deal! Oh, diba? Oh, diba? Imanawa na dito. What is your name? Lima! Oh, si Lima pala to.
Ay, kasi di ba?
Okay, Lima, here's your prize. May I borrow your 500, okay? So, deal or no deal? Deal! Oh, ang galing naman ni Ate Lee. Primo! Okay, bigyan natin si Primo ng dinosaur. May I borrow your 500? I said Primo, not Luna. Primo, listen to me. May I borrow your 500? Where's your mom, Primo? Where's your mom? Asa po?
Ang galing ah.
Oo. Hindi kanina siya pa yung kanina nagkaganon eh.
Kaya pa
Kanina ako nagkaganon.
Okay, ito mo
Okay. May I borrow your 500? Oh, sige, ano yung price? Go to your mom. Go. Oh, madali lang ako kausap.
Okay na. O, patingin siya.
May isang tayo rin Primo.
Kita mo.
What is your name? Again? Tyler, is your